We're live here at Edwin Stoverlidge Hall doing the Bragg Book, Wallet and Box workshop. I'm going to turn it round so you can see all the ladies. They've just had afternoon cake, I'll tell you. So, they're all busy. Look, they've hidden their cake. They've hidden it. Oh, look, oh, hang on, look, I'm coming round. Where's the cake? Oh, look, she's still hiding her cake. What's the cake like, Hev?
Looking gorgeous.
Good. That's what we like to hear. So let me come and find the rest of these ladies. Are you all enjoying the workshop, ladies?
Yes.
Have I stressed you too much?
No.
Well, that was a bit mixed. So look, they're all tucking in and we're nearly finished. We've got Donna saying hello, Laura saying hello. So I have to say hello back. Karen's nearly finished. Look, she's getting her box ready now. Chris is still eating cake.
Not had much of it.
No, look, she's nearly finished. Look, we're on the box now. She's getting ready with the box. And she's nearly finished her book.
I've got my book ready. Little envelope.
Christine's being very busy.
No cake for me.
No, she's had no cake. Isn't she good?
I've had cake.
Maxine's had cake. Maxine's book, look. Oh, look at it all laid out here.
I'm ready.
All ready to be stuck down that last bit. Margaret, come on Margaret, do a show and tell. Leslie's watching now as well, so we say hello to Leslie.
Hello, Leslie.
So we've just got photos to go in. And Rosie's joined us, first time Rosie's joined us for a workshop. Have I traumatised you, Rosie?
Not yet, but it's getting close.
Oh, yeah, but we've nearly finished now. We've nearly finished. She's going to be exhausted when you get a glass of wine time when you get home, you know. Glynis is nearly finished. Look, here we go. Look, she's got all her bits on here. Carol's had a cake. Look, she's had a sugar rush. She's on the home stretch now. So's Karen. Yeah, she's put her tongue away. She's okay now. Carol's watching as well. There's Catherine. Oh, look, Catherine's still got cake. Look, she's still got cake. So these are the ladies. Look, some of them are in the kitchen. But Edwin Stoverlidge Hall is still open for business. The workshops and classes are still going on because we're not a mass gathering, as you can see. Well, there's a few of us, but we're not a mass gathering, and we're taking all the precautions that... oh, Rachel's saying hello. Say hello to Rachel. So we're taking all the precautions here. We're taking guidance from the authorities. We're not a mass gathering. We're washing our hands a lot. And we're having fun crafting. What else can you do, girls? And Carol says there's stuff in their faces as well. So I'm going to say goodbye. Oh, I am going to say goodbye. I was trying to turn the camera around, but I can't. So I'm going to pan it round and the lovely ladies will say goodbye. See you soon.